Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in the additional of the weekend edition. The weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, November the 16th, November the 17th, 2024. It's actually today, Sunday. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary, Jigsaw Sudoku. And this one you are interested. It's the 4-star Sudoku. Yeah, 4-star Sudoku number 9608. And before start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. The 4-stars Sudoku in the additional has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4-stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3 twos. 3 threes. 2, 3 fours. 2 fives, 3 sixes, 1 7, 1 8, and 2 9s. Well, we have 4 fours overlooked. So the 1s and the 4s are in majority. Can I start with the 1? 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, now only 2 places level 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the first row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left, 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the first column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here or there. We have 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 in the third row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1. Okay, how about the 4s? 4 in this row. 4 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left, 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left, 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4, 4. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. How about, you know, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here, here or there. We see another 5 in this column. No 5 there, 5 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. Alright. Then 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so that row. Only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 7. 6 6 6 6. Okay. 5 5. You're 9 here. You're 6 here. Come on. 3 3 3 3 3 3. I need a 7 here or there. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 5 here. 1, 4, 2, 6. Need 6 here. And I need a 3 here. Yeah. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. And look, we have 3 and a 6 in this row, so no 3 and a 6 in this box. 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this column for number 7. 3, 3. 6, 6. Okay, 6. Need a 2. Need a 7 here. Come on, come on, come on. Need a 5 here. Need a 9 here. Come on, come on. 1, 6. Yeah. 2, 8, 7. 7. Well, in this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We have 2 and a 7 in this big square, so no 2 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 3 missing numbers now in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8 is missing. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. And look, we have 4 and a 6 in this column. No 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. So 1 digit left should be the 8 then. Alright. So I need an 8 here. 8 and the 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7. 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8, 9 is missing, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. Okay, no 9 here. Let me think. Need 5 there. Need 4 here. 4, 4, 4. Come on. Need 6 here. 6, need a 6 there. Okay, in this row, we need a 6. Here can we 6, we have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. Here can we 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, or there. Well, cannot place the 6 there because we need a 6 in one of these 3 boxes in this row. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 6 then. Okay, 7 and 6, we have a 6 now in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 7 goes there. Need 7 here. 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. Need 7, 2, 3. Need a 5, 5, 5, 7. Need a 8. 8, 8, 8. Need a 9 here. 9, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3. Yeah. In this row, we need a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3 because we have 3 in this big square. So no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Here or there. You see another 3 in this second column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5. 5, 5. Need 8. 8, 8. 5, 8. 7. Need an 8 here. In this big square, we need an 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square, cube here, cube there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. 8 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left. 8, cube here, cube there. Then, let me see. 8, 8, 8. Come on, come on, come on. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in this one, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9, cube here, cube there. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between. Only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this column, third column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, the only place level 3 should be there. So the other 2 should be there. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. Then 6, 5, 7, 7, 7, 7, and the 5. 2 missing numbers in the second column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes and there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place level 7 should be there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, we have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes and there. 2 numbers left now in the first column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8. The 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column 3. The only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 8. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 8 goes there. We have a pair, the 8 and 3 in this column, the 8 and the 3 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left, 8 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So another pair in this big square are numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. It means I've marked those 2 boxes earlier than 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left, 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 and 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 2 goes there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next, so that column, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 and a 9, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. 9 and the 5, we have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left, 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this column, 4 numbers. 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, and now, how about the 9 in the first row, the 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place level 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Cannot fill. Well, 3 and 8, not a 2 and 8. We have a 2 already here. 3 and 8, we have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 in this third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left now in the first row for number 1. The 2 is missing, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Wow. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. But is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this again a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.